What's going on everyone, it's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. I've got even more custom builds to showcase for you, and this is the NZXT H210i mini-ITX, and I've also done its bigger brother, the H710, in another video. You'll find that linked down in the video description as both videos are being released at the same time. Back to the little guy, the H210 was quite an interesting build. Always like a good mini-ITX challenge to see just how much hardware and custom water cooling parts I can fit inside them. And the H210 is definitely not the smallest mini-ITX case. However, I think I managed to cram it pretty well. It has two 120mm fan mounts at the front, meaning you could fit a 240 rad in the front. And I only say could because, as you can see, I obviously did. But that's with placing the fans on the outside section of the front panel in order to clear a standard length graphics card. And once you cover them up, they're pretty much starved up of all air intake. And temperatures quickly rise up even while the system is idling or just doing general browsing, nothing too intense with the PC. And that's using EK's slimmest 240 rad, the SE240, which I'm not actually sure how it's going to do with the 10900K and the 2080 Super on its own anyways. But that was the challenge with this build, is to see if you could actually run a setup like this on a single slim 240mm radiator versus a full-size system, which is in the NZXT H710 that's using dual 360 rads for pretty much the same system spec. And for those interested, I'll put some temperature testing results down in the video description comparing the two builds once I'm done playing around with them. But when it comes to the H210, given its size and the fact that it's not the smallest mini-ITX case, I would have definitely loved to see NZXT offer much better custom water cooling support inside it, plus allow more clearance at the front so that you could actually fit fans inside this front compartment, as otherwise in a mini-ITX where size is all that people care about, well, this space at the front here is pretty much just being wasted. If I was to keep this system and run it as is, I would have to do it with the front cover off or drill some holes through it, make a custom panel or something like that in order to allow for better ventilation. But anyways, other than that, I'm super happy with the way the build turned out and loved its look. It's something new that I tried. I wanted to achieve a nice abstract and colorful look, something a bit different from your regular themed case mod. If you are wondering about the design, I got it from unsplash.com, and you'll find links to the artist in the video description, as well as the full system specs if you want to know more. So I really hope you guys like the way the system turned out and enjoy the time lapse. Thanks for tuning into this video. Make sure you check out my NZXT H710 custom build video as well. Drop us a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.